What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to go over another Alt Hotkey video tip, and that's going to be quickly deleting columns. So, as usual, let me just put in my typical quick data of a few numbers 1 through 10, just so we can see some representation of data on the screen. So, typically, if you're not used to any shortcuts, you'd go to delete on the home tab up in the Excel ribbon, and you would hit delete sheet columns, and that would delete your column for you. You could also right click and hit delete. That does it for you as well. Part of this video, we're going to show the Alt hotkey as we've done previously. So what you're going to do, hit your Alt key, then we're going to go H for home, D for delete, and C for delete sheet columns. That automatically deletes it. You can see how quickly that's done. And when you get enough repetition, highlighting that was Control Shift right arrow key. And you'll notice once you get the hang of it, you're just typing on the keyboard and it deletes it for you that quickly. Control Z undoes everything for you, and you're back to where you started. So appreciate it, guys. Please like this video. Leave a comment if you'd like to see any more tips, and please subscribe. So appreciate it, guys. We'll catch you later.